Do you want to add pictures side by side just like so? I'll show you the easiest way to do it. First of all, go to your Play Store and in Play Store, search for Photo Collage, and all you have to need, install this Photo Collage or Photo Editor app in your phone. Once the app installed, launch the app. Here, tap on Collage. Sorry, we have to skip this ad. Tap on Collage. Now from your gallery, go ahead and select your 2 photos or 3 photos, or you can select more than 10 photos. So go ahead and select your 2 pictures. You want to add side by side. You can select up to 25 photos for a single collage. Tap on Next. And skip the ad, and here we can see 2 pictures added side by side. Select layout, and here you will find a bunch of different layouts. You can go ahead and select any free layout from this list. In my case, I'm selecting this basic one. And now tap on the first image, and you can change the image position. You can zoom the image, you can rotate the image just like so. Select the second image, you can change the image position just like so. Now just tap on Save and go to your gallery. In your gallery, here you will find your added 2 photos side by side collage. That's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.